Today we are going to read the story about a cat and a dog. Otto the cat has everything he wants, but he doesn't want to share with anyone. There is a dog who wants to make friends with him. Do you know how Otto tries to reject the dog? If you'd like to find out, you can follow along with us and remember to turn the page when you hear this sound. Now open the book to the beginning of the story. Otto is a cat. He lives in a house. My house, says Otto. He has a bed. My bed, says Otto. Otto even has a car. Today Otto wants to go to the pet store. What does Otto want? He wants a new ball. He wants a new toy mouse. Otto gets everything he wants. Does he want a dog? No, too late. The dog wants Otto. He wagged his tail. Out of my car, says Otto. The dog stays put. Out of my house, says Otto. The dog stays put. Out of my bed, Otto tells the dog. Do not play with my toy mouse. Do not eat from my blue bowl. What can Otto do? Everywhere he goes, the dog goes too. Or at once, Otto knows what to do. He runs out of the house to the swing. The dog runs too. I will run around and around, says Otto. I will make the dog dizzy, then I will run back, and he will not find my house. Otto runs around. At last, he stops. Otto is dizzy, but is the dog dizzy? No, the dog is not dizzy at all. He picks Otto up. He takes him to the house. My house, says Otto. My car, my blue ball, my toy mouse, my bed. Otto look at the dog. My dog, says Otto.